Hello, and welcome to a brief demonstration of model-based field management and commissioning using Autodesk BIM 360. Today, we will show you how model-based field management and commissioning has been made easier with the integration of BIM 360 Glue and BIM 360 Field. The entire project team, including the owner, can access the most recent connected data anywhere and anytime. Model-based commissioning is no longer limited to one person managing that model in the process, eliminating many steps. Let's see it in action. We'll begin by simply viewing our equipment in Autodesk BIM 360 Glue, where we have our fully coordinated project models. Here we can see that these water chillers have properties attached to them, in particular, commissioning data coming from the field such as status, barcode, and installation date. As we switch to the iPad and using Autodesk BIM 360 Field out at the point of construction, we see that shared model with the same equipment data and can continue to add field information and interact with the model using straightforward navigation. Using BIM 360 Field's equipment module, we can quickly update the status, add a barcode, and set the install date. Imagine your work in the field is complete and we'll jump back to BIM 360 Glue, where we can see that the field data is synchronized with the model in near real time. As you can see, this integration streamlines the setup and management for commissioning equipment on your building and infrastructure projects. Now let's take a look at the details around this workflow. We begin the setup for using equipment sets from Autodesk BIM 360 Glue by simply selecting the model components we will be commissioning. We create an equipment set for all of the matching equipment types, in this case, the water chillers. Autodesk BIM 360 Glue automatically finds all the matching elements and groups them together. We then share the equipment set with Autodesk BIM 360 Field, and we are ready for the next step. Moving to BIM 360 Field and using the Web module, we can add the newly shared glue model to the project setup. Once the model is ready, we can then map the properties from the coordinated model to the appropriate items in our equipment database. At the same time, we can add the field information that will be collected during the commissioning process that will be synchronized to the coordinated model. Here, we'll add the name, description, install date, and barcode properties to the model. To complete the setup, we'll simply view the model in BIM 360 Glue again and verify the equipment properties are now there. With the properties and model integrated, we now can leverage the information out at the point of construction using an iPad in BIM 360 Field. We'll begin by setting the status for the water chiller to delivered and then assign a barcode for tracking purposes. We can also set critical dates specific to this equipment, like the purchase date or delivery date. BIM 360 Field enables us to leverage checklists specific to the commissioning process, which ensures that installation, setup, testing, and function of the equipment is consistent and more accurate. We can also see important documentation right here at our fingertips in the form of attachments, like operation manuals or installation specifications. The equipment record is also linked to a model that offers an interactive view of the elements in context with the rest of the project. Using straightforward navigation, we can explore the spatial elements of the model, but also have access to all of the properties we saw earlier. Moving forward in time and with the field information synchronized to the project, we can see in near real time the properties for the equipment updated in BIM 360 Glue. The integration of BIM 360 Glue and BIM 360 Field for field management with models streamlines the setup and management for commissioning and equipment on your building and infrastructure projects. For more information, please visit us at autodesk.com/BIM360. Thank you.